My name's Randy Van Duinen, and I'm an architectural photographer. And I want to show you a new plugin that has just become a part of my workflow. It just works so well, so easily, and it does a great job. It's called Radiant Photo, and it has just been fantastic. So let me kind of show you how I use it in my workflow, and I think you'll find out that you probably want to add it too. All right, we'll take a look at this image right here, and it's an architectural image and Tampa International Airport in the Sky Center. My clients wanted me to photograph this large space. The problem was I couldn't get it all in one image. So what I had to do was start with 3 images on a 17mm tilt shift lens and take 3 different images. You can see right here. There they are. And then I combined them all into this one image in panorama and then adjusted it to fix the perspective. I did a few things like I normally do when I work on these images. I did some fixing, going here a little retouching. If you look right down here, you can see some of it. I took some cars out, exit sign, the little fire extinguisher things up top, they all came out. So those are some of the things I do on almost all my images. Let me get over here. And then I do a little lightning, some burning, just, it's a little bit of lighting effects with curve layers. And this was my final image. Now, normally what I would do is I would go ahead and create, another curves layer for contrast, going and do some sharpening, a couple other things. But I found out now with just Radiant Photo, it happens quickly and easy. So let me show you how it's done. We go ahead and make sure we're on our top layer and hit Command Control Shift E, and you'll get a composite layer. So that's right on the top. I'm now going to go to Filters, down here to Radiant Photo, open that up. And this is a pretty large file, so it might just take a second, but there we go. So you'll see it already did a great job. And you have a slider here that can kind of show you the before and after. What I'm going to do is I found out somewhere between 70 and 40% are the sweet spots. So I'm going to take this down, let's say right around 60. See if we get it in there a little bit more for both the color and the strength. And I think this does a really nice job here. You can see right there. I think it really works on bringing in some of the detail in the midtones, sharpens it up. It just really works really well. And then all I have to do is hit apply. And like I said, this is a large file. It'll take it a second, and then it'll bring it into Photoshop. And there we go. So there's our before and our after. And that's how I use this, this program, Radiant Photo. It just is my finishing touches. It allows me to have just, the image to come out just perfectly. And I've been really, really happy with it. Now, just for full disclosure, they did give me a free copy, and I have made some architectural presets for them. You'll see the links down below. But if you're doing travel photography or architectural photography or anything like this, or really anything, this has been just a wonderful, wonderful plugin. It's simple to use. I mean, you can get more advanced into it. I just did the simple editing, but you can go in there and do some more, and you can get really in depth in it. But right now, this is how I use it every day on all my commercial works and on my travel photography. Hope you like this, and come back and see me again, and have a great day.